Korean grammar.
을까요?
Shall we? 3 usages of.
을까요?
1. Used to ask a question to oneself. 2. Used when the speaker wants to suggest doing something together with the listener. 3. Used when asking about the listener's preference regarding something. Conjugation.
1. Verb stems ending with a badchim, use.
을까요? 먹다. 먹 플러스 을까요? 먹을까요?
2. Verb stems ending with a vowel, use.
리을까요? 만나다. 만나 플러스 리을까요? 만날까요?
3. Verb stems ending with re-ul, add.
까요?
만들다. 만들 플러스까요? 만들까요?
Irregulars.
듣다. 들을까요? 걷다. 걸을까요? 굽다. 구울까요? 눕다. 누울까요? 짓다. 지을까요? 긋다. 그을까요?
Sample sentences. Asking a question to oneself. Used when the speaker is wondering something. Expressing thoughts out loud. Not directing speech at any person in particular.
밥을 먹을까?
Should I eat rice?
이렇게 할까?
Should I do it like this?
지금 퇴근할까?
Should I leave work now?
Suggesting doing something together. The subject of the sentence is uri and is often omitted. Often translated to shall we? Or why don't we?
주말에 같이 백화점에 갈까요?
Shall we go to the department store on weekend?
전화번호를 주고받을까요?
Shall we exchange phone numbers?
같이 한국어를 공부할까요?
Shall we study Korean together?
Asking about the listener's preference regarding something. The speaker is asking for the listener's opinion. The subject of sentence is 제가 or 네가 and is often omitted. Often translated to shall I? Or should I?
창문을 열까요?
Shall I open the window?
이 꽃을 어디에 놓을까요?
Where should I put these flowers?
제가 내일 아침에 전화할까요?
Shall I call you tomorrow morning?
Let's practice. Can you understand these Korean sentences?
자기야, 우리 결혼할까요?
Babe, shall we get married?
우리 영화를 볼까요?
Shall we watch a movie?
오늘 저녁에 뭐 먹을까요?
What shall we eat for dinner tonight?
커피 마실까요? 맥주 마실까요?
Shall we drink coffee? Shall we drink beer?
이 문제 어떻게 해결할까요?
How shall we solve this problem?
언제 다시 만날까요?
When shall we meet again?
이번 여름에 어디 여행 갈까요?
Where shall we go for a trip this summer?
택시를 부를까요?
Shall we call a taxi?
같이 농구할까요?
Shall we play basketball together?
오늘 다이어트 시작해볼까?
Shall I start dieting today?
Let's learn together. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.